Welcome to the Province Rochester, where student life meets style, space, and serious comfort. Whether you're grinding through finals or gearing up for a game night, this is the perfect home base for your college journey. Choose from chic studios, spacious 1-bedroom, 3-bedroom, or 4-bedroom apartments, each fitted with hardwood-style floors, full-size beds, study desks, leather-style furniture, and fully equipped kitchens with microwaves and full-sized fridges. Safety? Covered. Think steel front doors with deadbolt locks and individual bedroom door locks. And the fun doesn't stop at your front door. Break a sweat in the 24-hour fitness center, dive into the heated pool, catch a movie in the theater room, or challenge your friends at ping pong. Need to study? The Academic Success Center and Group Lounge are open 24/7, with IMAX, printing, and Wi-Fi at your fingertips. Located on John Street, you're just minutes from Rochester Institute of Technology and the University of Rochester. Bus stops at RIT Barnes & Noble, Building 100 and 400 Jefferson Road are close by, and the Rochester train station is also easily accessible. Secure your spot now at amberstudent.com and book the Province Rochester today.